Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water flossers for braces that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Waterpik Water Flosser. The Waterpik WP260 is a custom model for children over 6 years old that has a kid-proof electric design with a convenient grip for little hands. It is smaller in size and simpler to use than any standard flosser designed for adults, although its efficiency by no chance is worse. Wrapped in a colorful white and bright green body, the flosser attracts attention right away. Besides, you can let your child choose one of the 20 removable, lovely cling decals to further personalize the flosser. The Waterpik WP260 comes with 2 interchangeable tips and has 3 pressure settings. One of the jet attachments is intended for regular flossing, while the other one is specifically designed for kids wearing braces. According to dentists, this flosser has proved to be 3 times as effective as traditional string floss for cleaning around the brackets or other orthodontic appliances. Which is why we believe this flosser not only can add fun to such a boring for kids process as flossing teeth, but also help develop proper habits and prevent many dental problems. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser. The Waterpik WP560 is a bright example of an extremely helpful and useful device, smartly combining all the benefits of a compact cordless design with power and efficiency of corded stationary models. See for yourself. This rechargeable unit boasts extra quiet operation. The flosser has a rapid magnetic charging system that fully recharges within 4 hours and features a handy LED light indicator that starts to blink when the battery runs out of charge. The electronic pressure control system has 3 settings to customize the water pressure intensity from low to medium or high. Fitted with 2 classic jet tips, 1 orthodontic tip and 1 plaque seeker nozzle, this flosser suits any user with braces or implants, as well as those who wear crowns, bridges, and veneers. All included tips rotate 360 degrees to reach all areas in the mouth. At number 3, we have the ToiletTree Products Oral Irrigator. This ToiletTree cordless water flosser will be of great use wherever you go. It is compact and convenient to carry in a bag and store on a shower shelf. The flosser features 3 operation modes, soft, normal, and pulse, that make it suitable for a vast majority of users, regardless their teeth sensitivity level. The water jet produced feels strong enough to do the job, yet it is not as strong as to cause gum bleeding. The ToiletTree flosser is equipped with a Li-ion battery that lasts for approximately 2 weeks on a single charge, and comes with a universal voltage charger, which makes it the perfect option for traveling, even if you go to a foreign country. At number 2, we have the H2 of Loss Dental Water Flosser. This electric dental flosser from H2 of Loss offers a great number of usability features and boasts unmatched functional versatility. Intended for home use and equipped with a super silent motor producing 0 to none noise, it can be operated comfortably at any time of a day. The HF8 Oral Irrigator has a well-thought design, with a removable reservoir for easy refilling and a smart storage compartment for flossing tips. What sets this water flosser apart from many other models, though, is a rich set of attachments it comes packed with. There are 12 different tips, including orthodontic and periodontal nozzles for people with implants, braces, or crowns. The unit can work in several operation modes, which you can change by pressing a single control button on the handle. Simple yet functional, the H2 of Loss can bring your dental care to a completely new level. And finally, at number 1, we have the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. For those who wear braces or have tooth implants, a high-quality water flosser is a must-have. Yet, it is always nice to have a unit that caters to multiple needs and can be used by other family members as well. The Waterpik WP660 is just the unit in point. This irrigator comes complete with 7 different flossing tips, including a special plaque seeker tip and orthodontic tip for efficient and hassle-free dental braces cleaning. There are also 3 general tips that can be used by multiple users. A toothbrush tip adds to the convenience of brushing and water flossing at the same time. Besides such a wide range of toothbrush tips, the functionality and performance of this water flosser can be further customized with 10 adjustable water pressure settings and 2 operation modes. As you can see, this dental care tool is suitable for everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.